My life. Yeah, okay. So I'm Chris Quigg. I'm from the Fermi National Accelerator Laboratory in near Chicago in the United States. Very happy to see Largo Fermi just below us with the same name as the namesake of our laboratory. I'm a theoretical physicist. I've been in the field of particle physics forever, it seems. I used to be the youngest person in the room, and now I'm not the youngest person in the room anymore. So I'm happy to still be in the room. I've worked on many subjects because I've had a long career. One of the central themes of my work has been thinking about future experiments, especially high-energy colliders, how we would build them, how we would exploit them, and so on. Long ago, 40 years ago or so, with some colleagues, I wrote a very thick paper called Super Collider Physics, which became sort of the Bible for experiments at Fermilab's Tevatron and the Large Hadron Collider. And before that, I had done, again with a few colleagues, some work that turned out to be influential on how to find the Higgs boson, this famous particle that a decade ago we finally found at CERN. So I've been engaged very closely with experiment, and that is one of the reasons that I chose to be at a laboratory, a national laboratory, instead of a university, just to have that daily contact with experiment and with experimenters. I'm here for 3 weeks for the GGI workshop on muon colliders and related subjects. I've really enjoyed my stay here. It's my first time at GGI. I've been extremely impressed by the intensity of the week, of the 5 weeks. In the lectures themselves, I've been very impressed with the way our organizers have conducted them. You know, sometimes you go to a conference, somebody gives a talk, it's wonderful, it's not wonderful. At the end of the talk, the organizer says, "Are there any questions?" And it's total silence. Well, here that was not tolerated. So our organizers were extremely good at drawing people out and really starting a conversation that could continue after the formal sessions were over. The individual responses are really quite important. Very impressed with the way the place works. And the mixture of young and old, experienced people, new people, that the organizers are going to need a vacation for 6 months after all the work they put into this. I've been really quite impressed with their dedication.